Let me show you how to do this spider look. Let's get right into it. So we're going to start off by slicking back our hair, and you're going to wear all black. So something like this would be perfect for this look, but I'm going to get a little bit more dramatic. Very dramatic. And now we're going to prime our face with the e.l.f. Grippy Primer. And while I let that dry, I'm going to put in some black contacts. All right, our contacts are in, and now we're going to use the best foundation on the market. I love this. For this look, we're going to be doing a glamorous red smoky eye using our You Can Be palette. So we're going to go in with the white and put it all over. Now we're going to dip in with this beautiful red right here. So beautiful. I'm going to put it more in the center of the eye and bring it up and bring it out. And we're going to bring down the red a little bit too. Just a little. Kind of smoke it out, and we can even it out with our fingers. Now we're going to take this sparkly black and smoke it out. We're going to take that same black and slightly smoke out right here as well and bring it down a little, just a little though. Now some eyeliner with an Annabelle eyeliner pencil. Just the smidgenest, just to kind of darken up the eyeline. Let's take off this tape and see what we're working with. Nice and sharp. I like it. I like it. Now let's get onto the eyebrows. It's going to be very 2016, very dark. So for this, we're going to use our Morph going platinum, and we're using jet black. We go heavy in at the arch, obviously. We're going to bring it down. And then what we're going to do is basically fill in underneath and then brush it up and fluff it up. I love that. Now we're going to do this one. Now I'm going to line my lips with some black eyeliner. I don't have a black lip liner, so we're going to use this. Kind of going to make like a unilip. Lovely. Now you'll see why I did this here in a second. And I'll definitely fix it up, but you get the point. I'm going to do this side. So the teeth are almost done, but what we're going to do for our lips is our Dragon Girl NARS. This is like the most beautiful red you've ever seen. Watch. It's literally perfect, but yeah, we're going to put this on. So now we're going to make some spider eyes. So I'm going to be using my Danessa Merrick's in the shade Blackout. This is like the best stuff ever, by the way. It's not going to come off. It's hard to come off unless you have like professional makeup remover. So we're going to put a little bit on here. And what we're going to do is get like different size circles to make some eyeballs on my face. So I think the first thing we should do is find the first size of eyeball, and I want it to be kind of small, so let me find something. 1 second. All right, we're going to start off with this, and I think we're going to put it like right here first. I'm so nervous, like literally. Let me look over here. Perfect, perfect. Now we just got to do the other side. We can fix it up. That's perfect though. All right, we're going to do another one right around here. Good start. We can fill that in. Now I just got to do it over here again. Now we're going to do another one like right in here. I'm going to fill these in and we'll see what we're working with. It's looking good already. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take like a little blending brush like this size. We're going to put a little bit of like brown around it just to make it look a little bit more realistic. So we're dipping in with like this like beige color that's slightly darker than my skin. And what we're going to do is this. It's going to take a little bit of concentration, so bear with me, but basically like this. Makes it look a little bit more realistic, so I'm going to do that to all of them. And now we're going to go do a little bit of extra highlighting with a white eyeliner pencil, so I'll kind of show you the gist. And basically kind of like right here. It's going to sharpen up the eye, but it's also going to help kind of give it like a roundabout. Lovely, just like that, and we're going to do that to all of them. Don't forget to do it to the teeth either. So basically, a little shadow like that. Slight shadow like this. And then we'll take the white right along there and up like that, just to make it look a little bit more realistic. Now, to make the eyes look a little bit more realistic, we're going to take some Danessa Merrick's in the shade Lift. We're going to add like a little white spot to each eye, so let me do that. So we're going to take this. This has like, it's like a little nail art thing. We're going to dip it in the white, and we're going to try and be pretty precise with this. So, and then over here too. Did it. Nice. Now up here, we'll do a bit of a bigger one. Lovely. Very, very cool. Now I'm going to put a little bit of white on the tooth as well. Just like that. We'll do it to the other side. We're going to use our She Glam blush for this look because it's like the perfect red. All right, I'm going to do some finishing touches and I'll show you the final result. And this is the final look. I did my nails and everything to match. What do we think? I think it's super cute. I hope you enjoyed. I'm really glad you're here and I hope you have a great day. Bye!